Have you heard of Rudaki? He's super famous in Persian literature. He lived a long, long time ago in the 9th century when Persia was becoming really cool thanks to Islam. Even though he was blind, he saw the world in a special way with his amazing poems. His words were like music, and everyone loved them, from kings to regular people. He's known as the father of Persian poetry, which is a big deal. We don't know a lot about Rudaki's early life. It was so long ago, but we know he was super talented. He was born in a village called Rudak, which is in Tajikistan today, around 858 AD. He was great at music and poetry even when he was young. The story goes that the king, Nasser II, heard him singing and playing his lute. The king loved it so much, he brought Rudaki to his palace in Bukhara to be his own special poet. Rudaki was a genius with words. He made the Persian language beautiful and powerful. Sadly, many of his poems are lost, but the ones we have are amazing. He invented new kinds of poems, like the qasida, which is like a long song, and the ghazal, which is like a short song. His most famous work is the Kalila wa Dimna, a translation of some really old stories from India. This book made him a superstar, showing how good he was at telling stories and writing poems. Rudaki changed Persian literature forever. He inspired other famous poets like Ferdowsi and Hafez. He wrote about love, nature, and what it means to be human, and people really connected with that. Even today, people still say his poems, which shows how timeless they are. Rudaki shows us that real art lasts forever. His words still touch our hearts, even though he wrote them over 1,000 years ago.